In this video, I'm going to share with you a cool variation for your island strum. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. And we're going to apply this to a really cool Calypso progression. F, C, G7, and then C. It's a simple variation that can create more space in your playing. When you're playing fast, it can also create some bass line and melodic possibilities for you. So easy to do. Here's what you do. Instead of strumming down, down, up, up, down, for the very first down strum of the pattern, you just pluck one string. You can pluck any string of the chord. In this case, I'm going to be plucking the fourth string for every chord in this progression. Join in with me. Let's do it nice and slow. Just get comfortable with the idea, and then we'll pick it up. 1, 2, start on F. Pluck, down, up, down, C. Then G7, C. Let's do it again. F. Nice. Now when you're plucking that string, try not to snap it too much unless you want to, and listen for it ringing out. Very cool way to thin the texture of your ukulele to create some contrast. Maybe when you're playing the chorus, you can use this pattern, then go back to the good old down, down, up, down island strum for the verses. When we play this faster, you can start to hear some melodic potential. Let's go a little faster. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, 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 bum, 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 ba da dum, bum, bum, oh dum, bum, bum, ba da dum, bum, bum. If that song sounds familiar, it's because it's Tingaleo, and it's also many other Calypso and island style songs. If you enjoyed this video, hope you'll subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks like this. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in another video soon. Have fun playing your ukulele. Thanks for hanging with me.